G'day, I'm Tori from Bluff Engineering. We're based in Southland and Bluff. Come and see what we do. Bluff Engineering's been running for about 70 years. We have 12 staff, they're full-time, and then we have about 6 casuals that come in and help with odd jobs and that. The variety of work that we do is massive, pretty good. We do a lot of work on the port, working on fishing boats, and the casuals usually come in and help us do our tanker bunkering and discharging tankers. We go work out at the quarry, and we work at Balance at their fertiliser plant, and yeah, just a bit of everything really. Oh, there's a lot of dedication, a lot of love, you know. We're always out to help everyone. We never really say no to a job. We're always happy to help and do what we can to assist people with what they need, even if it's not engineering, you know. It's good. So before QuickStock, our workshop was pretty unorganised. A lot of staff wouldn't let you know that you didn't have stuff, so you'd go to grab something and it was never there. It was just frustrating and very time consuming. Being in Bluff, we rely on the courier quite a bit, so getting stuff back and forward, you know, you got to think ahead, and yeah, it was just quite hard, to say the least. It's definitely a lot easier now, far easier. So our QuickStock works is we've got 2 cabinets up in the back of the office. You go up, grab the key, go into the store, unlock the cabinets. If you need gear or consumables, grinding wheels, cutting wheels, any of your welding consumables, gloves, safety glasses, tape measures, grab what you need, book your material out, back down, you're working within 5 minutes. It's as easy as that.
I think what I like about the QuickStock is pretty much anything I need, it's all in one cupboard. Why walk around the workshop looking for it? Yeah, it's easy, yep.
QuickStock has definitely helped speed up the processes with work, with manufacturing and all that. Everything's there, ready to go. When the boys need stuff, everything's there to grab. Just go up and into the cabinets and get what they need. We do a lot of weekend call-outs. You can get called out on a Friday night or a Saturday morning, and places in town aren't really open, so it's good having it on site ready to go.
If we don't have QuickStock, it's either out on the courier or someone takes a 20-minute drive into town to pick up what we need. You walk up the stairs and you've got what you want. 2-minute job.
We get 1 invoice a month rather than 10 different invoices from 10 different companies sending out bills every month. It's all just pretty much based on 1 bill, and it keeps the office lady happy. Yeah.
Yeah, gloves are good, glasses are good. Nothing's been in my eyes, so I'm happy. You can chuck one of these discs on and just go to town and they'll last and last. So that works.
Well, we chose QuickStock just because they were easy to deal with, friendly, good group of people. You get other companies that come in and they're very pushy. They try and push all their products on you, but Euromarc, they're not like that. There's other businesses that are always trying to push you, you know, and then by the end of it, it just pisses me off. Yeah, whether as they see another product, they're not worried.
I'd recommend it to others just for the simple fact that everything's in one drawer. I mean, you just plonk it where you want it, grab what you want, and you're done. Done deal, you don't have to think about it.
I'd recommend it to anyone that's looking at speeding up their process in their workshops. Definitely just makes everything a hell of a lot easier for everyone. Takes the pressure off, having everything in stock ready to go. No, it's good.